Gerber Moment large fixed blade knife with gut hook. It's full tang construction. It's got a lanyard hole on the backside and a gut hook on the reverse of the knife. A full fine edge is easy to keep sharp in the field. It features an ergonomic grip with a rubberized handle and a finger groove for exceptional control in all environments. It was developed with experienced hunters and is designed to do everything you need in camp and after the hunt. This is the Gerber Moment large fixed blade knife with a gut hook.
Knives are man's most basic tool, and I carry a knife in my pocket and always have forever. My name is Philip Booth. I'm from Ithaca, Michigan. This is the Rip Snort. I've made knives for going on 25 years. I started in this business a painter and a printmaker. I still do printmaking, but man, it's this knife making that's the best. I am thrilled to have Columbia River making my knives. This Rip Snort, we're talking about a serious everyday carry. Man, you can do anything with this knife. Cuts hard, it has a gently curving cleaver style blade, which gives it a ferocious cutting edge. It's tough guy stuff. Fits in the hand, not too large, not too heavy, not too long, not too small. One hand operation, flips open with a finger. Also locks with a liner lock. The liner comes across the back of the blade. It's easily closed. The locks are very secure, very tight, no wiggle. Stainless steel accent on the handle was put into my custom knives because I like repeating shapes. Columbia River just nails these inlays and they're the exact same angle. Man, it makes it look good. My name is Philip Booth. This is the Rip Snort.
The M1614 SFG, designed by Kit Carson, has a high-carbon stainless steel blade with a non-reflective black titanium nitride finish. The 3.875-inch dual-grind blade has a Tonto tip, which is excellent for penetration, and exclusive patented VEF serrations, which offer exceptional cutting of fibrous materials. The G10 handles form an open-build frame which is easy to clean and built to sustain heavy use. It also has a stainless steel locking liner which, when used with our auto-lock safety, automatically turns the folder into a virtual fixed blade. The auto-lock safety mechanism features easy one-handed closing. For convenient carry, the knife has a 4-position clip. The Carson flipper enables a smooth, fast, one-handed deployment, and the dual hilt acts as a blade guard. The Special Forces G10 models have been specifically designed with features requested by military procurement specialists.